I am Pewist, the CEO of Chaw Advertising. I have studied construction engineering at AUIS and graduated in 2020. Right after my studies, I started Chaw Advertising. Chaw Advertising is more of a visionary project than a business, reflecting our focus on seeing things differently and with clarity. The knowledge and connections I gained at AUIS has played a big role in shaping Chaw Advertising. Over the past 4 years, we have grown a lot. I remember we started as a 2-member team, and by now we are more than 10 people in the office. We started in Sulēmani, Iraq, and now I'm proud to share that we have started selling our services in the UAE as well. Working at Chaw Advertising is a unique experience. We have created an environment which feels like home. There is productivity, creativity, fun, teamwork, and these are the values we bring from our time at AUIS. I hope my journey inspires the current students at AUIS to follow their passion and take advantage of the opportunities that come their way.